Now in this sum they have given the margin of safety is 8 lakh, MOS दिया है that is 8 lakh which is 40% of total sale. ये जो 8 lakh है वो किसका 40% है? जो भी total sale है उसका 40% is the MOS. And the profit volume ratio is 30%. We have a PV ratio which has been already calculated and given in the sum, that is 30%. From this information we need to calculate that first one is total sale. हमें पहले total sale find out करना है. Then they have asked us to find out the present profit क्या हो रहा है, मतलब profit on a present sale. जो भी आपको first step में sales मिलेगा उसके ऊपर profit they have asked us to find out. Third thing they have asked us to find out is fixed cost, कि कितना fixed cost हमें incurred हो रहा है. And the fourth one they have asked us to find out the sales, मतलब sales find out करना है. To earn a profit of rupees 3 lakh, it means they have given us the profit and they have asked us to find out the sales. This is what it has been given in the question. Now from this let's start with the first one, that is with the total sale. Let's find out the total sales first. अब देखो हाँ, एक नॉर्मली पहले हम नॉर्मल, मैं कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं बताऊंगी, हम नॉर्मल वे से जाएंगे. अगर दिस 8 लाख रिप्रेजेंट्स 40%, क्या बोला कि जो 8 लाख है वो 40% है टोटल सेल्स का. सो इफ दिस 8 लाख रिप्रेजेंट 40% तो 100% का कितना? फाइंड इट आउट. Find it out. Do the cross multiplication. That 8 lakh represents 40, then 100% represents how much? Do the cross multiplication. That is 8 lakh into 100 divided by 40. You will be getting 20 lakh rupees का total sale. मिला सबको 20 lakh rupees? Everyone got 20 lakh rupees? Now second one, profit on the present sale. जो sales मिला उसके ऊपर profit find out करो. Now when I was teaching you margin of safety, I gave you the 2 examples और मैंने तुम लोगों को वहां पर how to, when the MOS is given, how to calculate the profit वो दिखाया था. So now today we are going to use that formula, that profit is equal to margin of safety into PV ratio. ठीक है? So what is the margin of safety which is given in the question? It is 8 lakh. Multiply it by PV ratio. PV ratio has already been found out in the question. You just have to multiply. So 8 lakh into 30%. 8 lakh into 30%. It will be 2 lakh 40. ठीक है? So always, as I told you, देखो हमने previous class में भी profit find out किया था. There we have used the different formula. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पर हमारे पास MOS का कुछ information नहीं था. Here to find out the profit we are using different one. So that is why I told you कि marginal costing में to find out the answer we can use a different formula depending upon the sum. ठीक है? So what is a present profit which got on a present sale? हमें present sale पर कितना profit मिला? तो we got 2,40,000 rupees. Done. Now next one, they have asked us to find out the fixed cost. Now to find out the fixed cost हमें तो contribution भी चाहिएगा, sales का भी चाहिए. Directly find out कर सकते? Yes, you can find it out directly because fixed cost का we had a one formula ना, sales into PV ratio minus profit. We have used this formula before as well. तो हमारे पास sales कितना है? हमने first ही working note से find out किया. That is 20 lakh. PV ratio they have already given in the sum, that is 30% minus what is the profit? कितना मिला? Second step में हमें profit मिला 2,40,000. So when I subtract, I will be getting 3,60,000. I will be getting 3,60,000. ये वाला कौन से फॉर्मूला को क्लास मॉडिफाई किया है? Which is this formula which has been modified? ये वाला जो फॉर्मूला जो मॉडिफाइड है वो ये वाला है. PV ratio is equal to fixed cost plus profit divided by sales into 100. So that is why I'm telling you, if you know the formulas, how to apply the formulas, this chapter becomes very much easy. We have discussed all these formulas during the theory part. Clear? So we got a fixed cost of 3,60,000. Now the fourth point, we need to find out the sales, and they have given us the desired profit of 3 lakh rupees. So let's take a formula. Desired sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So what is a fixed cost? Fixed cost हमें मिला थर्ड से 3,60,000 plus what is a desired profit which we had? What is a desired profit? 3 lakh. It is already been given. It is 3 lakh. So take 3 plus 3 lakh divided by PV ratio. PV ratio we have already, they have given in the question, that is 30%. They have already given the PV ratio 30%. So divided by 30% and find out the amount. 3,60,000 plus 3 lakh becomes 6,60,000 divided by 30%. You will be getting 22 lakh as a desired sales. You will be getting 22 lakh as a desired sales. So class, always remember this type of sums you can get for a 2 marks questions.